Welcome to 10 in a Nutshell. Today I will share with you 10 relationship strategies for everlasting happiness. Number 1. Effective communication. Learn and practice effective communication skills to foster understanding, resolve conflicts, and build stronger connections with your partner. Number 2. Emotional intelligence. Develop emotional intelligence by understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as emphasizing with and validating your partner's emotions. Number 3. Trust and transparency. Cultivate trust and foster an environment of openness and honesty in your relationship, promoting a strong foundation for long-lasting love. Number 4. Quality time and shared experiences. Prioritize spending quality time together, engaging in activities and experiences that strengthen your bond and create lasting memories. Number 5. Appreciation and gratitude. Express appreciation and gratitude for your partner regularly, acknowledging their efforts and contributions to the relationship. Number 6. Building and maintaining intimacy. Explore the various dimensions of intimacy, including physical, emotional, and intellectual, and work on nurturing and maintaining them in your relationship. Number 7. Conflict resolution. Learn healthy conflict resolution strategies such as active listening, compromise, and finding win-win solutions to address disagreements constructively. Number 8. Understanding love languages. Discover your and your partner's love languages and make an effort to communicate love and affection in ways that resonate with each other. Number 9. Continual growth and personal development. Support each other's personal growth and pursue individual passions as it enhances the overall health and the vitality of the relationship. Number 10. Relationship rituals and shared goals. Create meaningful rituals and establish shared goals that provide a sense of purpose, unity, and long-term vision for your relationship. By exploring and implementing these strategies, you can deepen your understanding of the science and psychological behind lasting relationships and nurture a strong and fulfilling partnership with your loved one. If you enjoyed our content, like, share, comment where you're watching from, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Until our next upload, take care.